Hello everybody and welcome to another Minecraft tutorial video. Today we're going to be showing you how to make an easy pumpkin farm in Minecraft. This is very similar to the melon farm design that I have come up with. So go check that out. So let's get into what we'll need. We're going to need 2 redstone repeaters, 13 powered rails, 6 pistons, 6 observers, 16 redstone dust, 1 stone hose, 6 pumpkin seeds, 2 chests, a stack of any blocks for building, hopper, a minecart with a hopper, redstone torch, 2 redstone torches, 2 rails, 12 dirt, and 2 buckets of water. So to build this thing, we're going to want to let's go on this side. We're going to want to first make a little chamber of 6. So this is 6, and then we're torch, please move. Yes. So we're going to want to make this, and this is going to be for the water, which makes it lots more efficient. We're then going to want to get our dirt out and place our 6 dirt, and then in the front, and then the other 6 dirt behind it, with all of it used with the hoe, and then with the 6 pumpkin seeds. Then might want to use our 2 buckets of water to infinitely repeat this. Then we're going to want to go up 1 and place an observer. Then going to want to make a line of observers going across. Whoops, I didn't mean to place it there. Then we're going to want to put a line of blocks behind this thing, behind the observers. Then you're going to want to get in the water and place down your 6 pistons, all facing towards the observers and towards the pumpkin seeds. We're then going to want to go on either side. Well, I'm going to pick the side. We're going to want to go out 1 and over like so, and then we're going to want to go behind the pistons with some of the block you picked. Then you're going to want to line the top of the observers with redstone all the way like so, and then line the blocks behind the pistons, and so it should look like this. But then right here, we're going to want to place down our 2 repeaters, one facing towards the piston and the other one facing into the observer, but 2 ticks back. There we go. That is what the outside is going to mainly look like, but we're then going to want to get our redstone torches, our minecart, and our that, and we have the chest. So we're gonna want to put down our 2 rails, and then we're gonna want to put out we're gonna use our 13 rails. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Then we're gonna want to put a block right there and a block right there. Then we're gonna want to break this, light that up, break and light that up. So this is now all good. But we're going to then want to place down our 2 chests that should be linked, and a hopper, and that is where the last one will go. So just place down 12, put the hopper with the chest, and then put it on top of it. Then we're going to want to send our minecart with the hopper away, and now let's test if this thing works. Let's say the pumpkin's growing. Oh yes, grow, vegetation, yes. Let's see. So this is going to be a very slow design, and not slow, but it will slowly feed into this chest. So each time it gets to here, like this is 1, so 4, and then 5. Yes. So you can just put multiple hoppers leading also into the chest, and that would be faster because it would go along this block, and you can do it all with hoppers. That'd be super fast and efficient, but it's fine like this. So this is how you make an easy pumpkin farm that is completely automatic in Minecraft. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye!